What up, 2K heads? 2K OG here with another video. It's season 3. We're gonna jump into this. I wound up buying a Hall of Fame pass, but before I get into the video, I want to thank Really 100. You can go check him out on Spotify and Apple Music, and I'm sure he's on YouTube also. He gave me a couple more beats and just to switch it up, so I'm not playing the same thing all the time. But yeah, y'all go check him out. All right, let's jump into this. Like I said, I bought the Hall of Fame pass. I was about to say the season pass, but it's two different ones. And without me really thinking about it, I hit the button, and now I got to do the Ascension board. So we'll do that real quick. Y'all might not even want to see this. Okay, so I'm gonna use every pick before I get up there. Got 11 picks. I never seem to get the season pass. Well, I guess the Ascension board reward. I never seem to get that anymore. Hopefully all of y'all had a nice Thanksgiving. Everything went smooth, because I know how sometimes, you can get with the family and it'd be a headache sometimes. But let's see. Might have to turn that music up a little bit. It sounds like it's crazy low to me. Go up one notch. Yeah, that should be good. Hopefully it's not too loud and you can't hear me now. Alright, Ascension board. Alright, let me hurry this up, because I know y'all didn't come watch me flip for the Ascension board, which looks like I'm gonna be stuck on the second board, or second level again. Yeah. So I go to the top level with 2 picks. I always do the middle one, which it never is, but I always like doing the middle one. All right, we're done with that. Let's look at some of these packs, because yeah, nice and crazy. 90 plus premium option pack. I don't know what that consists of. If you have, it's fairly cheap, and you can't open it with MT. So let's just open one with MT, see what we get. Well, you only get one, huh? Okay. And all of them are amethyst. It said 90 plus, so I should have looked at it. I thought it said premium, but I guess it wasn't. I'm gonna take J.R. Smith. I think, yeah, let's take J.R. Smith. All right, I guess I need to get some VC before I try to buy some packs. All right, man, looking at this, and it's VC only. I don't know why. J.R. Smith. Okay, Ron Artest and J.R. Smith are probably the best 2 cards. Michael Finley may be okay. I know I had that amethyst card. It was terrible. His defense was so bad. Okay, so the My Team Festival cards. Does it have the ones from yesterday? Yeah, it does. No, don't think I want to open that box. Let's check this out. 200,000 VC for every Hall of Fame badge. I thought I was gonna buy that, but I guess not. Let's see, what is this? All right, contains 1 premium 92 overall card. Nobody cares about a hollow pack. Okay, so you get 1 pink diamond and nah, man, that's like them packs last year. So you get a Hall of Fame badge, pink diamond. How does it say or a gold hidden gem player? I don't know if I'm opening up those either. Let's see who's in them. And it won't show you the players in them. Huh. It's crazy. I'm not trying to buy a pack. Yeah, you can't even see who's in them. And My Team Festival Extreme Bundle. So you get your 50 cards, including one pink diamond, a diamond. And it doesn't say anything about an opal. Wow, opals are not even in that. Yeah, I'm passing on that too. I might not be opening up really much of anything. Let's see. Yeah, you're better off opening these packs. Let me finish going down the list. Alright. Now that might be worth it. I mean, 15,000, you get a pink diamond, but it's the My Team Festival card, so let's check them out. Oh, you gotta get the season. Oh, you gotta level up to see to the 40 before you can even open this. Okay, so that's different. Another premium pack. Let's see. 95 plus overalls. And that's all of the greatest Seraph is. I mean, that might be okay if you're trying to lock something in. Let me be honest with you, this event looks terrible, and this Friday drop is looking like one of the worst ones all year. The only thing, and I can't even really recommend opening this, but this is the only thing I'm gonna open probably. So this pack opening is gonna be fairly short. I might go into the My Team Festival packs and try those again. At least they have opals in it. I can't believe that you don't have any opals in. Okay, you do when it's deluxe. Maybe I'll open one of those. Not even sure. So basically, they want you to open this box and that box, because not having an opal and 50 cards, that's crazy. And then it doesn't show you the cards that you can pull. Does this one do it? No. All right. That one time. Let's see if we can get something good. Three badges. Let's just flip them all. Challenger. The post-up poet is terrible. The diamond is fine, but not great. The only good one is the Challenger. Damn. Yeah. It can be like that. Let's see what these Hall of Fame badges look like. Pink Prodigy. Bailout. Post-up Powerhouse. Unfortunately, all of them are at least decent badges except for that Post Powerhouse. Well, I might use that on D-Rob if he doesn't have it when I get him eventually, because I'm not going to just buy him straight out. Did I get Paint? I got Paint Prodigy twice? Oh, you get all of them. Oh, wow. Went through that too quick. We'll try this Phil Jackson card. Let's see. Man, I hope this is a good card. LeBron obviously would be the best one I think you can get. Western, so it's not him. Driving dunk. It's a guard. Shooting guard. Is this Clyde Drexler? It is. Could be a decent card. I can't really say that's a loss. I mean, 6'7" shooting guard. And I think he has a nice smooth jumper, so I guess it was a win. I didn't know you got 2 diamonds that came in a pack too. Should have read it all. Easton and Paulo would have been nice. It's probably non-sellable. Jackman. I probably won't sell him because he was a good card. I'll keep him for salary cap when his actual salary cap gets lowered. I have no idea. Purple. Don't tell me this is Michael Cooper. Nope. Power forward. Oh, Kyle Kuzma. Not a card that I'll probably ever use. Oh, wow. Okay. Option pack. Adrian Dantley. The bum that I already had. Now this could have been better because Chris Mullin, James Harden. Got one card I already got, so, and he's non-sellable. Chris Mullin, it's decent. James Harden. I don't need him, but I'll probably go with James Harden just because it'd be a fun card to use. I had Tyler Hero, but let him go. I mean, I can't really complain about that pack. I don't know if I'm gonna open up any more of these. I don't see it. You don't have any more options for Opal in any of this stuff. That's sold out. Let's go to that. So that's out the way. Deluxe pack for $75,000. I think I'll probably just buy some Hall of Fame badges because I don't even think I really I'm impressed about 95 overall because you don't have the option to get an Opal, and on top of that, it doesn't even show you who's in it. Like, but this one, like, you know, you got an idea of who's in it because it has the packs on it. Oh my God. Sorry, little boy is in the background going crazy. Unopened packs. No, don't need to go to that. My Team Festival. And this is 75. And this, let me see if these are the same odds. 3.1 for Opal and 86. 8.6 for Pink Diamond. Why are the odds so much better? But are these just the My Team Festival cards, which are worse? Yeah. Without it telling you who's in it, let me see. If you go to My Team Festival, yeah, you don't have a chance at Anthony Davis now. Ron Artest is good, and J.R. Smith. Those are the two that I'm hoping to get. All right, well, this pack opening is becoming a little bit longer than normal. No, it's about the normal time. Let's. I don't even know. I'm gonna open at $20. I'll just do one of these. I hadn't had any luck out of this stuff. Probably shouldn't have done it. Yep, more the same. Cause I opened one box and I pulled four. Well, I got 4 shakes in a row. I pulled 4 amethysts. Western Conference Center. They get 1 shake in the first 5, so normally that's a good sign that you're gonna get at least 1 more shake in the box. And go to the second one, and that's a diamond. Wasn't sure for a second. Let me get somebody with some value. Easton, still okay, so it's not Paulo. Shooting guard. Okay. Alex Caruso. I wanted to try him out. Do a gameplay with him. At least that was a new card. So 2 shakes in the first 6 packs. Not the worst. Alright, the first half of the box. Got 2 shakes. Let's see, I like to get J.R. Smith. Well, I just got Clyde, so I don't even know if I really need J.R. Smith. I like to get Anthony Davis. He's going for like right around $2 million, and I'm not paying that much. I wouldn't sell a bunch of cards just to get one. Every time I get that shake, and it looks like it's a diamond or a opal, it's a diamond though. Okay, De'Aaron Fox, Mike Bibby, way worse. Okay, again another new card, not somebody I'm excited about, but it is another diamond, so it could be getting worse. Yeah, one more shake before the Tapu. And we can. I know it. I thought it in my head and I didn't say it out loud because I was like, I don't want to jinx it, but that thought got out. It was like, yeah, I'll get another shake. It'll be another amethyst. 4 shakes in a box, 2 of them amethyst. Yeah. Oh wow, Series 1 card. I think I've opened up 5 or 6 of these boxes, and every one I've only got a diamond. Can this be Paulo? Roy Hibbert. The last time it was Monroe from the Detroit Pistons. Yeah, okay, yawning like I'm tired. Can I send all of this to auctions? Do that. Delete all of that. All right, I got 82,000. Should I go ahead and do it? Nah. So on, I would be right back. I think I'll just buy a little bit more MT and just open another box. I think that'd be better than, yeah, we'll do that. All right, we're back. Don't do what I'm doing. Definitely do not do what I'm doing. Still opening boxes, hadn't got anything out of them. Oh man. Look at that amethyst in the 5th pack. Or last time it was 6th pack. I think out of all these super packs and my festival packs that I've opened, which has been a lot, I've only seen one pink diamond, no opals. I've opened well over 100. Probably about 140 at this point. Can we get these shaped before the end of this first half of the box? And we don't. Let's see, Muggsy Bones. A terrible ruby. I think this is what I get for opening that next box. Finally get a shape. And we get another amethyst. Man, terrible. And all the amethysts that you could possibly get, I keep getting the same too. Going back to back shakes. See if we can pull one more shake out before the tapu. Mario Chalmers twice. That's like the best, probably ruby in the game. Yeah, I'd say the best ruby. See what we get. Another diamond. You said I've seen one pink diamond. That was out of a 10 box. And this is no Palo. Jack Sigma. He used to have a lot of value, but with D-Rob coming out and AD, his value plummeted. You get one more, you get that pink diamond, either hero on the tapu. Nope, no more shakes. All right. That's all I get. It's at least 7 boxes. No, that's not Apollo either. Kevin Harris. Yeah. And that's the second time I got him as a tapu. Alright. Send some of this stuff because I know I can't send everything. Well, video's long enough. Let me get rid of this stuff and I'll be right back. Alright. I don't know why I keep getting some weird glitch where it's making my diamond shoes that are non-auctionable, the ones that I got for hitting different rep tiers, those cards keep popping up and making me have to discard them. I should be able to keep those cards. I don't know how it's doing it, but it just pretty much got rid of about 10 shoes, and I couldn't do anything but get rid of them or put them on players. And I'm like, they don't have any takeovers, anything to them. Okay, no shake in the first 5, so could be a good sign, or maybe we're gonna get something real good, or more the same. Nothing in the first half of the box. Maybe a box with no shakes. You can tell if that's a little bit darker than that. Maybe I'm hoping on something too much. Probably another, yeah, it's another diamond. And it's not Apollo again. Norman Powell. It's a new card, but undersized small forward. Really, I think he's undersized shooting guard because I think he's only 6'5". He might be 6'4". Not 100% sure. Well, if nothing else, at least y'all see how bad these odds are. Help save somebody some money. We got 2 packs left. Never fails, huh? Never fails. Dalton Connect. Might be a good card. At least it's not one of the ones I already had. It's a different card. Back-to-back shakes. I don't know if y'all watched my other videos, but when I did the regular super packs, the same thing happened. Every single time I got back-to-back shakes, the second one was an amethyst. Every single time. This big man. Again, at least let me get a new card. Can't make it up. Y'all see it for yourself. You know, some YouTubers are pulling 3 pink diamonds in a box and getting a pink diamond top with it and all kinds of stuff. They got makeup packs for yesterday, and these guys, and this second, I thought that was Boogie Cousins again. And those guys are pulling opals, multiple opals out of a pack. And I can't get a pink diamond top of it. I can't get anything other than a diamond. And I'm not getting the good diamonds either. Well, Jack Sigma's not bad, but why is Paulo so rare? Well, should I say so elusive? Exchange. Get him in there. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this stuff again. Be right back. Alright, I can open a 10 pack or one of these bundles. I'm gonna open a bundle and maybe do some option packs. Yeah, let's do that. Go back to this one. Because for whatever reason, these actually show you who's in the packs. And Anthony Davis is in it. Let's see. Oh, now it shows you. But Anthony Davis is not in these. So yeah, you definitely don't want to open up these packs. This elite pack. I don't know how they came up with these. 1 Hall of Fame badge. 1 diamond or... Wow, that's a big drop off. And this is an okay deal. I mean, but these cards are terrible. Well, no, they're not. You know what? Oh, wow, I guess there's a chance I don't get it. But you gotta reach level 40, so I gotta hold on to some BC for that. Now, I guess the clear pickup is Ron Artest. Like, nobody else is even close. Drew Holiday, I guess, if you need a point guard. But yeah, Ron Artest is the card right there. So we'll hold off for that. Let's jump back over here. We'll go ahead and do this. Hopefully we can at least get a shake, and we don't. So I get a ruby. Yeah, and me like that. I consistently get these rubies. And since I was opening those packs, like I hadn't got one shake out of that every time I open it. And I think that's the 5th or 6th one of those that I've done all year. So you see, you get what you deserve. I deserve that. Should have opened it. The new better. I would have been better off opening the 10 box. Let's open up a couple of these and see if we can at least walk away with something. Because I'll open. These are super packs. Let's get some Hall of Fame badges. Exactly what I needed. All right, that's one. You only get 3 of them. I guess I might as well open up all 3. All right, Hall of Fame rebound chaser or range. The Hall of Fame rebound chaser is a good badge. Range is good. I think I got a couple ranges. I got at least one. Alright, last one of these that I can open. It just gave me that. Oh, so I don't have one. It gave me the same exact pack, didn't it? Get back into it. Yeah, it's gone. So you can open up these and hopefully you'll get something. What is this? Where did that come from? Let me see what the odds on this. Like, that's random because that wasn't there. See if anything else changed. No? Yeah. Where did this random pack come from? You got a limit on 3 of the. Oh. Okay. I know what that was from. Well, I guess since it's here, let's open up, see if we can get Wimby. Open up 3 of these with my MT. Another Ruby. And we'll just add him to this exchange. Look at that. Look at that. At least you can open these with MT. We'll shake as usual. Get rid of that. And the last one. I forgot all about at the top of the hour. Yep, no shakes. No surprise. Alright, what was I doing? These are MT, so you can open these with BC at least. See if the odds are, what the odds on is. 2.1. Yeah, that Ruby. It's not even a Ruby from any of the premium sets, so. This has been a disappointing pack opening as usual. The only good thing was that $100 pack. Makes me sick to say that. All right. No shake, no surprise. I'll open up 2 of these. Shake. I would never recommend y'all do this, but I'm just doing it for the content, just to show y'all it's not worth doing. And some people get super lucky out of these. I never do. This year I hadn't pulled anything out of a single. Yeah, I hadn't got a shake out of a single. So Alright, that'll do it for this video. Pretty long, terrible video. But again, y'all get to see what's going on. 2K out here killing us. Could have gave us some better odds, but I'll do a gameplay on Lease That Clyde. And I appreciate anyone who watched to the end of this video because it's a long video. But until next time, oh, hit that thumbs up button. Sorry. Comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend on that road to 400. Until next time.